Hi, this is Joseph in SVD, and for my improvement video, I wanted to share with everyone a Doors 101 training presentation that we put together, especially Roberto Castaneda and Ida Devenir. Thanks a lot for helping with this. This was almost a year-long project. It came out great. So we uploaded it to the wiki under Glass Division. You can click on Project Management once this loads. And down at the bottom of Project Management, there's a Doors 101 training PowerPoint. And the first thing it says is to view this in slideshow when opening. So you open the PowerPoint, and down at the bottom, there's a slideshow view tab. Click on that. So this will take you to the home page, which has active links. So you can click on any one of these, and it'll take you to that section. So the first one, door types, we specifically focus on the doors that Walt commonly installs. So we have storefront doors, glass doors, and balance doors. We have another tab for wood and hollow metal doors. But because we usually sub this work out, I put the contacts for who would be responsible for those products. When you come back here, we can go to storefront doors. And under the rest of those doors, all the structure is the same, so you can get a description of what that type of door is, or even that type of door's anatomy. We'll point specifically to parts, extrusions, the components that it takes to make the doors operate, and you can click on these links and it'll take you to a better description and help you understand the terminology of doors. And this little home button here will always take you back to the beginning. So if we come back to the door types, and go back to storefront doors, you can see the style options. You can also go back and see standard hardware configurations. So we talk about the usage that the customer uses it for, and then when you click on it, it'll give you a link to an actual cut sheet that our Walters and Wolf submittals look like. So it's there. So we can close that out. We can go back. And the next section is door handing. So we have a little industry standard diagram here, and then we also have Walters and Wolf specific terminology for how we hand doors. The next section is door hardware. So we have the hardware organized by system type. So if you go to a storefront door, and then you go to a panic exit device, it'll show you our typical Von Duprin panics we use. And then each one of these links will give you the options and take you to the cut sheets. Okay. So we go back, and if you were to go back to door hardware and click on a glass door into a panic exit device, it will show you Bloomcraft panics or dummy panics, and again, it'll take you to the cut sheets for those respective parts. So the next section is going to be basic code compliance. So we have specific codes to doors. We have one on clearance and sizes, operating forces, and then the next section is going to be our project galleries from projects that we've done. So we have it broken down by system type. So if anybody has any pictures that they'd like to add to this, please email it to me or Ida or Roberto, and we'll start depositing it here into these folders. Okay. And the last section is the links and resources. So we have the full versions of the California building codes linked here, and that will take you to the files that are on the wiki. And these are searchable, so if you want to search for any codes even outside of the door realm, that's in there. We have vendor links for who we typically buy outdoors from. We have actual hardware links as well for who we buy hardware from if you need to get something fast. We created folders for door installation videos and then the hardware fabrication installation videos. And we're going to continue to add to these databases so that people can access it. If anybody has any specific things they'd like to see added into it, let us know and we'd be happy to put it in there. Thanks a lot.